Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about industrialization and modernization. Industrialization is the process by which an economy is transformed from primarily agriculture to one based on manufacturing goods. Individual manual labor is often replaced by mechanized mass production, and craftsmen are replaced by assembly lines. Rapid urbanization brought on by industrialization typically leads to general deteriorations of workers' quality of life and many other problems of society such as crimes, stress and psychological disorders. Now we are going to learn about industrialization. Industrialization is an important component of economic growth. India's industrial expansion over the planned period presents and mixed picture. Compared to the pre-independence level, industrial growth during 5-year plans periods is phenomenal. Industrialization is the period of social and economic change that transforms a human group from agrarian society into an industrial society. This involves an extensive reorganization of economy for the purpose of manufacturing. Industrialization is the period of social and economic change that transforms a human group from agrarian society into an industrial society. This involves extension and reorganization of the economy by the purpose of manufacturing. What are the factors of industrialization? Growth of per capita agriculture incomes, improvement in the rate and per ton of gross domestic capital formation, particularly in public investment, step in investment in infrastructure and better managements, less adverse trends in intersectoral terms of general factors influencing locations of industries in India. Locations of industries is determined by several factors like access to raw materials, power, market, capital, transport, labor, etc. As these factors influencing the cost of production and delivery cost of manufactured goods to consumer, trade and reforms of industrial and trade policies all. General factors influencing locations of industries in India is determined by several factors like access to raw materials, power, market, capital, transport and labor, etc. As these factors influence the cost of production and delivery cost of manufactured goods to consumers. Factors affecting industrialization: technological development, quality of human resources, availability of finance, managerial talent, government policy, and natural factors. The factors affecting industrial productivity are the interrelated and interdependent, and it is difficult task to evaluate the influence of each individual factors on the overall productivity of industries. Success of industrialization. The Industrial Revolution transformed economics that had been based on agriculture and handicrafts into economics based on large-scale industry, mechanized manufacturing and the factory system. New machines, new power source and new ways of organizing work made existing industries more productive and efficient. The Industrial Revolution had many positive effects. Among those was an increase in wealth, the production of goods and standard of living. People had access to healthier diets, better housing and cheaper goods. In addition, education increased during the Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution transformed economics that had been based on agriculture and handicrafts into economics based on large-scale industries, mechanized and manufacturing factory systems, new machines and power sources, new ways of organizing work made existing industries more productive and efficient. Modernization. India has a large variety of industries producing goods of varied nature, which shows high degree of modernization. Some modern industries have really grown and they are competing effectively with outside world. This has reduced our dependence greatly on foreign experts and technologists. On the contrary, India is exporting trained personnel to relatively less developed countries. The term information technology include computer and communication technology along with software, along with three sector model of primary, secondary and tertiary industries. A fourth sector, information related industries, has emerged. The knowledge economy depicts the automations of labor intensive manufacturing and service activities as well as growth in new service industries such as healthcare, distance education, software production, and multimedia entertainment. Next one is self-reliance. Another positive aspects of industrial growth in the attainment of the goal of self-reliance. We have achieved self-reliance in machinery, plant and other equipment today. The bulk of equipment required for industrial and infrastructural development is produced within the country. The Indian road network has become one of the largest in the world. Government efforts led to the expansion of the network of national highways, state highways, and major district roads, which in turn has directly contributed to industrial growth. As India needs power to drive its growth engine, it has triggered a noteworthy improvement of availability of energy. After almost 7 decades of independence, India has emerged as the third largest producer of electricity in Asia. Thank you, students.